Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the Typical Budget. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and tap that notification bell. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. What I want to go over today is my budget by paycheck for June. It's the first paycheck of the month, so we really have to go through and just make sure that the budget stays on point. So when it comes to the income, the actual amount is $1,486.81. For rent, I am budgeting for $362, which I've already went to the ATM machine and took out the cash for that. For electric, I budgeted for $80, but I ended up paying $74, I believe. For Walmart, I budgeted for $105, and I've already paid that. For AT&T, they haven't took their money just yet, but the bill is $216.35. For Netflix, I do use my Discover card to pay Netflix. That way I can have some type of usage on my credit card. So $9.84. For groceries, I budgeted for $125, but we haven't been grocery shopping. I did go ahead and start adding more money back to that account, so I only added $10. Now when it comes to health, normally I would say $100, but I didn't this time, especially since I don't know when I'm going to get that vision bill, so I only budgeted for $50. For personal, I did up my budget for personal from $20 to $30. Stickers can be a little high, and that shipping cost can be something else. So I went ahead and gave myself $30 for that. For car maintenance, I did go from $30 to $40. For fast food, I kept that amount at $40. For fun, now I haven't budgeted for this since, I don't know, March. So I'm just going to add $10 there. For gas, I did cut that budget for that one again from $25 to $15. I did notice that I really wasn't using that much gas, so we'll see how the $15 go. For out of town, I did budget for $70. Not really sure if I'm going out of town this time, but we'll see. For vacation, normally I would do $40 to $50, but I don't think we'll be going anywhere anytime soon or anywhere this year. So I only put $20 there. For savings, I did bump that amount from $100 to $210. And $210 would come from that extra money that I have left from my car payment, since I don't have it anymore. So I just went ahead and bumped my savings up. So $420 a month, $210 bi-weekly. For the salon, I did budget for $70. Not really sure if I'm going to go to the salon just yet, but just in case. Also, when it comes to gifts, I did budget for $20. So the total budgeted amount is $1,483.19. And the amount that I should have left over is $13.46. I did notice that I did not budget for miscellaneous. This will be the first time not budgeting for miscellaneous, but we shall see how everything works out. I've already went to the bank. I've already got my cash envelope stuff. And as of right now, with this being the 8th day, I really haven't spent anything, but again, I really haven't left the house either. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you have any questions. Don't be afraid to comment. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at The Typical Budget.